Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to change country or region on your Google Play Store on your Android mobile. So how can I change? Keep watching this video until then. Now open Play Store and now guys tap on profile icon top right corner and here is click on payment and subscription. Now guys here is payment methods. Here's the interface more payment settings. Now you opening on your Chrome browser and here is add your payment method. You can add payment method, don't worry. So I am adding payment method. I have added my card information. Now enter your address according to payment method. So my payment method in Pakistan, so I am entering the address of Pakistan. So I have added my Pakistani content address. So after adding the simply save. Now guys, if you have already added your payment method, now keep watching the next setting. Now guys, if you have already added a payment method, so simply click on three line top right corner. Now setting and wait for some second. Scroll down and here's my country is Pakistan. Click on pencil icon. Now create a new profile. Now continue again. Here's the interface. Select the country which you want to switch. I want to switch India. Click on India. Continue again. Now guys, wait for some second again. Now guys, enter your address according to your in this country. So I am adding this city is Mumbai. After adding this all information, submit now. Now wait for a few seconds. Here guys, your payment method has been created. Now check the country has been changed or not. You can see country has been changed successfully. So guys, you can change your Play Store country region by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.